Life is a way of taking us on unexpected journeys. We dream, we build, we push forward, only to find ourselves facing challenges we never imagined. Mine has been one of highs and lows, resilience and hope. Today I start a new chapter, one I never imagined would be so hard, but one I refuse to give up on. For years I battled with chemical sensitivities but refused to let them get me down. I dreamed of a space where I could heal and thrive. I built that life, this organic homestead, a healthy home, and I poured my heart into creating a life of wellness and sustainability. Then something incredible happened. I was blessed with the opportunity to expand, to take everything I learned and create something even greater. We just bought 32 acres of breathtaking land, 17 acres dedicated to wildlife conservation, a new homestead, thriving orchard. It should have been the happiest time of my life. When I should have been celebrating, I faced a new battle. My body, already sensitive, turned against me in ways I never imagined. As I stood on the edge of this new beginning, my body was betraying me. Relentless digestive issues, no answers, no relief, diet changes upon diet changes. There was nothing left, no recipes to share. Most days my body struggles to digest anything beyond baby food, chicken, and crackers. I searched for answers, consulted doctors, tried meditation, brain retraining, spent thousands on supplements, and yet no solutions. Then some hope arrived. A microbiologist seminar opened my eyes to the power of the gut microbiome, an unseen world within us that holds the key to our health. Right here in Newfoundland, I discovered GutCheck, a local company offering microbiome testing for anyone in Canada or the US. GutCheck's microbiome test is supposed to be a roadmap to healing. Using cutting-edge DNA sequencing, it analyzes the bacteria in the gut, potential risks, personalized recommendations. This test is my turning point and my hope. With GutCheck, I'm hoping to get some answers and take back control of my health, my future, and my dreams. This isn't just a relaunch of my channel, it's the relaunch of my life. In the next episode, I'll show you the kit in detail, including the simple instructions on how to prepare the sample for testing. In the meantime, you may want to visit GutCheck's YouTube channel for those of you struggling with gut issues, and I have a coupon code in the description box below for you. There are days we lose hope, but we keep waking up and we keep struggling. We have to keep fighting. We have to keep learning, we have to keep believing. Here's to new beginnings, and to healing, and to a future where we all thrive, not just survive.